Hey, Resto here. Got a quick tool haul for you. Um, the first bit is in this toolbox. I'll show you here in a second. I was cleaning out an old storage unit that was abandoned, and that was shoved up in the back. And I opened it up, and I saw a bunch of tools, and so they said, "Go ahead, take it." I've got a quick pawn shop $5 tool haul. So sit back, relax, and take a look at what I come up with. Okay, here is the tool score box. Let's see what's in said box. This is what's in the box. We shall go through this box and see what we got. So here we've got some Craftsman 1/4-inch drive down there. 1/4-inch drive here, 3/8 up to 1/2 inch, and then back here is 1/4-inch drive. We've got these Williams over here I will take a look at next. But yeah. So here is our standard Williams. Got a 1 inch, 3/4, and a 3/8. And then these are in the 1/2 inch. And then 11, 14, 15, 16, 20, 25, and 28. And then we have this 1/2 inch to 3/8 Williams. And then this 3/8 to 1 inch Williams. So, and then I've got a variety of this stuff. So, yeah, that was the sockets. This is a Power Tough, great neck. So, yeah, cool stuff. Yeah, this is just, yeah. So here are our Trade Pro drop forged, some drop forged, a great neck, Barklow, this line wrench, Duralast, a couple of Craftsman wrenches, an Armstrong wrench, Craftsman bit holder, this GM Performance. You can see 3/8 and a 1/2 inch, or 3/8 and a 1/4 inch. Just a plain Jane 3/8. Got this Power Belt 3/8. This Trade Pro 3/8. This crappy pair of snips, and Craftsman number 3. So here's that, and then what's left is down here. You got this rigid multi-way, and then the Stanley set of Allen, and some rusty things. So other than that, I think we did okay. Okay, now this I actually did purchase. This was my $5 pawn shop haul. So all this for $5. So I got a couple of wood-handled screwdrivers. Here's a Stanley Hurlwood. I don't know if you can see it very well. And then no name on this one. Wait. There's something there. I don't have no idea what that is. Anybody have a clue? No idea. So 2 wood handle screwdrivers. Got this little Exolite driver, Got this 1/4-inch drive, nut driver, Exolite, a Vaco Phillips, this Vaco 1/4-inch. Got this Ace number 2 Phillips. I have a collection of Ace that look like this. So if you come across any Ace hardware with this logo, give me a shout. Found this, well, this is an SK. Well, I know it's an SK. Driver, spinner. Advertising screwdriver for Big Vic. A part of one of the brass little hammer bits. I have a pile of them, so when I get bored, or when I think about it, I'll put them together and see if I can't make a couple of sets. This Gamble's Expert flat blade. I haven't seen a Gamble's before, probably from the Gamble's hardware. Got an Isco 3/16, and then over here is an Isco 15mm and a Napa 5/8. Seeing what I see? Yeah. And then finally this Armstrong Armalloy 9/16 by 1/2 inch. So this was my $5 tool haul from the pawn shop. Well, what'd you think? Hopefully, well, I think I did pretty well with those sockets. And, you know, funny what one man's, that would have been a poor man's flea market that I had to deal with. And then the screwdrivers, I don't know why I'm doing these screwdrivers right now, but yeah, I'm just kind of into that right now, the Vaco and the Exolite. Just building the set. And then I kind of have a little Isco set going on of different random Isco tools I've been finding. Always looking for Bonney, obviously. So otherwise, let me know what you think. And as always, stay safe and check you later.